Welcome, today I'm showing you how to customize a quick launch into a Motorola Moto G72. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into System option. Here choose Gangsters option, and now open double press the power key. If you tap on this option, we can customize, so we can turn off this option, launch assistant or launch camera. So for example, try launch camera now, and let's try double press the power key. And how you can see, we activate our Google Assistant. So let's try launch camera, and again double press the power key, and camera is open too. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.